Sticking or sagging doors are one of the most common problems in any home. Over time, changes in humidity, loose hinges, or foundation shifts can make doors hard to open and close. The good news? Most of these issues are easy to fix with just a few tools and a little know-how. Here's how to repair sticking or sagging doors the right way. Start by figuring out why the door is sticking. Close it slowly and see where it rubs against the frame, usually at the top corner or along one side. If the door drags slightly near the floor, it's likely sagging due to loose hinge screws. Grab a screwdriver and tighten all the hinge screws on both the door and the frame. If a screw just spins without tightening, remove it and replace it with a longer one, at least 2.5 inches, so it reaches into the wall stud for a stronger hold. If tightening the hinges doesn't solve the problem, remove one screw from the top hinge and insert a longer screw angled slightly upward. This pulls the door back toward the hinge side and often fixes minor sagging instantly. Next, check the hinge alignment. If the hinges are bent or the door is uneven, remove the hinge pins and tap them straight with a hammer. You can also add thin cardboard shims behind the lower hinge to lift a door that sags on the handle side. If the door is still sticking, the problem might be swelling from humidity. Wood expands in moist air, especially in bathrooms or basements. In that case, mark the tight spots with a pencil, remove the door from its hinges, and sand those areas lightly. Always sand gradually. You can't add wood back once it's gone. After sanding, repaint or reseal the edge to prevent future swelling. For doors that rub at the bottom, check if the floor or carpet has shifted. If it's just barely scraping, you can sand or plane the bottom edge. But if there's major rubbing, consider trimming a small amount with a circular saw. Use painter's tape along the cut line to prevent splintering. Sometimes the issue isn't the door at all, but the frame. Houses settle over time, which can twist door frames slightly out of square. In that case, adjust the strike plate where the latch meets the frame. You can move it up or down slightly by unscrewing it, filling old holes with wood filler, and reinstalling it in the correct position. A few pro tips. Lubricate hinges with a drop of household oil or silicone spray to stop squeaks. Always check that your door closes evenly with the latch centered in the strike plate. And if you're painting or refinishing the door, make sure to seal all edges, including the top and bottom, to protect against moisture. Fixing a sticking or sagging door isn't just about convenience. It also helps improve insulation, security, and your home's appearance. With these simple adjustments, your doors will open and close smoothly again. No more slamming or tugging required.